If your external monitor isn't detected when using an HP EliteBook docking station, the problem is usually related to connection issues, outdated drivers, or incorrect display settings. Docking stations rely on proper communication between the laptop's graphics system and the dock's video ports, so even a small driver mismatch or loose cable can stop the monitor from appearing. Fortunately, most detection problems can be solved with simple checks like verifying cables, restarting the dock, and updating system drivers through HP Support Assistant. Step 1. Check that your HDMI or DisplayPort cables are securely connected to both the dock and the monitor. Step 2. Perform a power cycle by unplugging the dock, restarting the laptop, and reconnecting the dock. Step 3. Update your graphics drivers and dock firmware using HP Support Assistant. Step 4. Open Windows Display Settings and click Detect to search for the external monitor. Step 5. Ensure your dock uses the correct power adapter wattage and try another cable or port if the monitor still isn't detected.